Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expobar espresso machine. Now for this machine we replaced the heating element, the one that you see right here. This one unfortunately was tripping a breaker. And we also replaced the shower screen and the gasket of the machine. As you can see, this one is extremely brittle. It's no longer a gasket. It's no longer... Yeah, it's just in really bad condition. It definitely needed to be replaced. We also deep cleaned everything around the E61 group head. Backflush the machine multiple times, descaled the steam one, descaled the hot water one, and descaled the boiler as well. So yeah, we did a lot of work on it. We also removed this kind of grease around the E61 group head and around the machine. There was like this kind of grease film around it, so we tried to remove as much as we could from there. And yeah, we just gave it a good overall cleaning and replaced the heating element. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind series of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Pressure going perfectly, around 9. Good crema coming out of the machine. Probably I needed to increase the quantity of the coffee inside the portafilter to get that perfect crema. But as you can see, we had a good shot. Good crema coming out of the machine. Shower screen working perfectly fine. Steam with the machine working excellent, as you can see. And the hot water working great. And there you have it. Expobar working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching.